Hello everybody, this is a wonderful evening, raining out here, and it's a great time to be wasting away your life playing a game. Probably Middle-earth Shadow of Mordor with modern graphics. So, to play this with modern graphics, I should actually show you how to install certain graphical upgrades. To get started, I'm gonna show you how to install the graphics mod that I made. All you have to do is open up the setup and wait 3 seconds. After that, select the game folder. So next, select the game folder. Make sure it is exactly the game folder, which is Middle-earth Shadow of Mordor, not the 64 or the game, just the actual directory. Press OK, next, and install. This is going to be very quick because it doesn't contain a lot of textures, but it does contain a few of them that improve the game overall. After that, you are going to need to install Java Development Kit or JDK 64-bit V8 update 381.exe, which you can find online. This allows us to use Resorep, which is a software that is well combined with the graphics mod, which allows you to kind of load a few graphical upgrades. After that, you'll have to install the toggle heart mod. You can actually skip this, but if you like to just turn off the heart and enjoy the beauty of the game, then you might wanna just drag and drop into the game's 64 folder. For example, I'm gonna show you by going to the game folder x64, and I'm gonna paste this and replace this. There it is. It doesn't conflict with any mod, so it's totally fine. Next is FWS, or it's called Flawless Widescreen tool. Press OK and install anywhere you like, just normally. And once you do that, you're gonna open this up. What this does is it allows us to play the game with these fixes and also FOV adjustment. If you don't like it, you can skip it, but you see, just like hard, FOV the game is not perfect, and changing it dramatically changed the beauty of the game. So I'm gonna set it to 8.25 or 9.25. This is beautiful. It makes the game look like Witcher 3, and then you can enable all of these. After that, you can simply open up Shadow of Mordor. There you go. So what happens after that is that you open the game and it'll automatically load up with graphics mod and you will play. You don't have to do anything else. Thank you.